Cooking and Snack Non-Baked Cookies.
Hi, my name is Ikid. Today I'm going to teach you how to make non-baked cookies. The ingredients are baking paper, oats, sugar, peanut butter, and cocoa powder. First, we're going to put the cocoa powder, butter, and the sugar into a pot. Chocolatey. Remember to make this in low fire. Now we're gonna put the peanut butter into the chocolate mixture. If you're allergic to peanut butter, you can choose not to put it. It will still be yummy. Now we're gonna put the oats into the mixture. And mix. This may take a minute, so be patient. When you're done mixing, put it on the cooking sheet. Now we need to put into the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. So the cookies are done. I'm going to share with my brother. Yummy. Yummy. You will try this at home too. Bye.